quite challenging.
Very.
Why? Because on many occasions, kung asawa ka sa sundalo, you will be acting both as nanay and tatay. Because as a soldier, especially sa Philippine Army, you will be assigned many places. And these are mostly conflict-affected areas. May mga problema, and you cannot just leave your post. Not even during special occasions. Kita sa civilian, very usual na muli ta kung birthday sa atong asawa, anniversary, Valentine, and so on and so forth. But not in the case of a soldier's wife. Very ordinary. Now, maski birthday sa imong asawa, dili ka makaulit. Why? Because they are also involved in leading men. Ang imong ulian, ang pamilya, pilara ka po, usa, duha, una na kanay anak. But in the case when you become, say, battalion commander, you will be leading about 500 men. And you cannot lead your 500 men because yung kinabuhi nila also at stake without you as their leader. So, ako siguro, sa akong mga 37 years in the service, siguro maayo kung doon 1/3 of that time na kami mismo ang kauban sa akong asawa. So that's just, I'm not trying to scare Janice, but yung role ng military wife is very important. Now, as you rise in rank, si Jay, sa social circle, ang imong wife will also be going up. No? But this is not to say that you also wear the rank of your husband. Because there are other officers' wives na kung mga captain ang iyahang bana, siya major na po. Which is wrong, ano? Kaya ang atong mga kasundaluhan, they say, tanawon nila ang ilang opisyal kung sa example, a good example of the leaders. So this is very important. Mahibawaan ni Janice, natuwa siya, makapilito siya, kung may mga activities, social activities of the wives, tuwa siya, and support the life of and the career of Jay. But as I said, not to outrun the husband. No, very important. And of course, hindi mo na kung dugay-dugay sa military, they say that you learn from other people's mistakes. Sa ako, mas kilugay na ko, you will not learn anything from me. Because I do not commit mistakes. That's kidding aside, no? So, again, to Janice, best wishes. When you accepted to be the husband of Jay, it goes without saying that you also accepted the responsibilities of a military wife, which is quite different from an ordinary civilian's wife. Katungin mo na kung ano mo, bisan mga importanteng okasyon, ang imong bana dili makaulit. Ako, maski birthday, during my time, wala pa tayo advances sa communication, wala pa tayo cellphone, we use tactical radios, mga over-over. So I have to arrange a schedule to my wife to go to the signal communication. Muadto siya, imananin ko rasa, Monday, dito may mga istorya sa radyo, over-over pa. Ang kadaot lang sa over-over nimo kay ang uban pong mga military units nga na-radio can also monitor. So, bingon kag I love you, kadungkan tanan sa mga military radios. I love you, napay over. So, kung ikaw din mong asawa nga, I love you, upang over, upang puli ay. So again, kidding aside, maunay akong advice, especially because I have gone through, as I've said, 37 years sa servisyo and assigned in almost all areas from Cagayan to Tawi-Tawi. Because especially for the Army, you do not get assigned in peaceful areas. No? So, ang akong asawa kanyanto, of course, naay murag siya, nailhan naman niya because nasa military po siya. So it's not very difficult for her to adjust. Pareho may military. Maula, dili may magkauban o place of assignment. So, congratulations to Jay. You have a career ahead of you. Of course, Janice, I hope little by little you can adjust to your role as the wife of a soldier. Thank you very much. And sa atong mga ginikanan from both sides, nag-salamat usab sa ining higayon na naka-attender po ko. I came from Manila. I based in Manila. But when Jay invited me, without second thought, yan, higit ko. Ilagang salamat.
Yes, there you have it. Retired General Alexander.